Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my dear students and welcome to this English new lesson for grade 8. I wish you time full of joy and benefit. Our lesson today is going to be about kinds of nouns. Again, the title of our lesson today will be about kinds of nouns. So we are going in this part to learn the kinds of nouns. Let's get started. First of all, what is a noun? Again, what is a noun? 1. A noun is a naming word. 2. A noun can name things, people and animals. Again, a noun is a naming word. A noun can name things, people and animals. Let's continue. Let's look at the picture. The speaker says, I will study science when I get to university. Again, I will study science when I get to university. The word science is a noun. Is it a noun, thing or person? It's a noun, think. What about 2? He wants to train to be a scientist when he leaves school. Again, he wants to train to be a scientist when he leaves school. The word scientist is a noun. Is it a noun, person or thing? It's a noun, person. The word scientist refers to the man in the picture, right? Let's continue. What about number 3? We will go swimming in the lake. Again, we will go swimming in the lake. The word swimming is also a noun. It's a noun, thing, not a person, right? Number 4. Rani is a good swimmer. Again, Rani is a good swimmer. The word swimmer is a noun. Is it a noun, person or thing? Very good, it's a noun, person. The word swimmer refers to Rani, the one in the picture. Let's continue. Number 5. If you look at the picture, the speaker says, my father is a farmer. He has a farm near Jericho, and he produces fruit and vegetables. Here the word farmer is a noun. It's a noun, person. Farmer refers to the man in the picture, so it is not a noun, thing, right? What about the word farm? The word farm is a noun. It's a noun, thing, not a noun, person, right? Number 6. Travel is a good way to meet interesting people. Again, travel is a good way to meet interesting people. The word travel here is a noun. It's also a noun, thing. So, some nouns can have the same form and function as a noun and a verb. Let's look at number 7. I usually travel by bus. Again, I usually travel by bus. The word travel here is a verb. Notice, travel in number 6 and in number 7 are the same form, but they function differently in the 2 examples. Let's continue. Note, some nouns and verbs have the same form in English. As you have seen in the previous examples, the word travel in example 7 functions as a noun. But in example 8, the word travel now functions as a verb. Now, dear students, let's study this table. Noun, think, science. If we want to change the noun, think, science to a noun, person, we say scientist. Tour is a noun, think. Tourist is a noun, person. Art is a noun, think. Artist is a noun, person. Guitar is a noun, think. Guitarist is a noun, person. What about noun, thing or verb? Travel. Travel, as I have said, functions as a verb and a noun. What's the noun, person from travel? Traveler. Farm, farmer. Camp, camper. Work, worker. Let's continue. Now, dear students, here we have an activity. We are going to complete these examples with a suitable word from the previous table. Number 1. A. It's going to be a huge building, but there is a lot of space still to do. A lot of work. Work here is a noun think, not a noun person. B. Yes, so we have 500 workers here and they are working day and night. So 500 is followed by noun person, which is a plural. Notice we added s at the end of the noun person. Why? Because it's preceded by the number 500. Don't say 500 worker, 500 workers, right? What about 2? In the old days, it was dangerous to space in the center of Africa. Here we use a verb or a noun. Very good, we use a verb. Why? Because we have to. To should be followed by infinitive. To camp, we say to camp. So here the word camp functions as a verb. B. Yes, and campers were often away from home for months or even years. Campers, notice. Why do we use a plural noun? Because we have the verb to be were. Campers were often away from home for months or even years. Number 3. How many space come to see Jericho every year? How many tourists? Notice how many is followed by a plural and countable noun. How many tourists? We added s because it's preceded by how many. So tourists is a noun person. B. Oh, thousands. Lots of them use tour buses that visit several places. Again, oh, thousands. Lots of them use tour buses that visit several places. Here the word tour, we use a noun think. Tour buses, right? And now, dear students, this is the end of our lesson. I hope that you enjoyed your time and learned. لإعادة مشاهدة هذا الفيديو يمكنكم الضغط على الرابط أو الكود الموجود أسفل الشاشة. شكرا لحسن استماعكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.